Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to do a dip technique with my nitrile gloves. So I have a variety of yellows mixed up. My base coat that I'm going to use is white mixed with just a very, very, very small amount of white. So it won't dry. It won't be a white base. It'll be a very, very pale yellow. I also have a little bit of gold mixed up. I just wanted to add a metallic and see how that looked in the piece too. And I'm going to be working on an 8 by 24 inch canvas and then do my flowers down the middle. So I just have a sponge brush that I'm going to use to smooth my base coat down, and then I will start pooling my colors for the dip. And you can see, compared to the canvas, that's just a really, really pale yellow color, and you'll be able to see it a little bit better once it's all dry. So I'm going to start with my pale yellow for the middle, and then I'll do the darker colors and the gold on the outside. And you can see this color is quite similar to the base coat, but it'll darken up a little bit once it's all dry. And I'm going to kind of make them off center a little bit. And then once I have my middle puddles, I just like to take my other colors and surround those middle puddle. There we go. And then I have my really dark yellow for the outside. Okay, and then I'm just going to decide where I want to put some of this gold in each of them. I'll probably just do it more towards the middle. And this will just give it a little pop of a metallic once it's all dry. And I just like doing that in most of my pieces. Okay, I'm just going to blow up my glove and then we'll start dipping. And one thing I like about the gloves is it gives it a nice surface to dip, but then I can hold the fingers on it so that those don't screw up my design, and then just dip straight down into my pieces, my little puddles. Okay, so we just go right down. That's really pretty. I like those yellows together. I'm glad I picked this. Similar to my yellow Dutch pour that I had not used yellow a lot. These are going to make some really pretty flowers. Glove kind of deflated, so I'm just going to blow it back up again. There we go. And just flip it over and use the cleaner side for my last couple. So I am getting all covered in paint here. That happens. And then dip this last one. There we go. Wondering if I want to fill in anywhere. No, I think I like that. I like the slight negative space on the outside and then just all that really bright color in the middle. I think this will dry well. That dark yellow kind of took over a little bit. I I would do less of that next time, but I do like them, so I don't want to scrape it. But you can see that gold in there, and then those other shades of yellow will really pop up once they're all dry. So I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you have other ideas for dips specifically for this technique, let me know. I'm always looking for suggestions and new ideas of color palettes that I haven't used. But I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching today.